moving ahead in the chapter, we have levels of management. ठीक है? The top level, middle level, and the lower level. This is divided. The level of the management is divided into three types: top level, middle level, and lower level. See, the person who are involved in this activities, all of them are important. If one of them is not there, then surely a big problem will be there in the organization. So to manage or cope up with this kind of problems, several unit has been given to them. So board of director is there in the top level, chairman is there, general manager is there, president is there, vice president is there. They take all kinds of decisions regarding the matter which has to be involved in the organization, in a particular organization. See, what are their main aim? Okay, policies and plans, what you call, okay, policies and plans. What are the policies of an organization? What plans they will apply it for a particular achieving a goal? Organizing activities. See, everything is organized by them only. Without the effort of them, the organization cannot do anything because they are the top level. Every kind of decision is taken by them. How many employees they will have, which unit will have how many employees, and how much is the dedication of work they required from a particular employee, and assembling the resources. Okay, this all comes under this top level management. They take all kinds of decisions which are involved. Every aspect. Okay, everything is decision is taken by them only. Okay, middle level, who comes under this? Purchase manager, sales manager, marketing manager, departmental head, divisional head. They all come under middle level. They are also an important unit between top level and lower level. You cannot directly go to this level. Okay, you have to proceed. You have to talk to this management. If there is a strike, they cannot directly talk to board of director. They have to firstly talk to this unit. Then after that, they will proceed for the next unit. So what are their functions? Interpretation of policies. What policies they have framed. The top level management, they will interpret in this, motivating the workers. Motivating is a big factor. If they are motivating this kind of workers, the production will be surely high. Okay, so if the production is high, the problem will persist. Okay, cooperate with the department selecting. Cooperate with the department. They have to cooperate with the department. Okay, if they have to cooperate with the department, they need to have a good unit. Okay, a cooperative unit. Next thing is selecting of employee. What kind of employee they want to select according to supervisor. They cannot select the board of directors and the chairmen and the general managers. They can only select the unit of the down unit, the lower level, supervisor, superintendent, foreman, section officer, clerk. Okay, now the next thing comes is lower level. Without them, this cannot work. Okay, because they are the important unit of levels of management. Supervisor are important part in this. Superintendent, foreman, section officers, clerk, they all are important unit. What are their functions? Representing problems of the workers. What are the problems of the workers? They have to give all kinds of majority of the safety to the workers. Working condition should be good, and this has to be processed through this kind of things. Okay, they will proceed the problem of the workers to this level. Okay, next thing is looking safety of the workers. What are the safety? If the condition is not good, workers will surely not work in that environment. So after this, they have to look after every kind of things aspect. And the next thing is maintaining the standard of the good. What kind of quality they have to maintain? They all are responsible for it. Okay, they are responsible for the standard of goods. Okay, if they have been authorized by this unit that a little bit one is the productions department and little bit decrease the quality of a product, they will be responsible. They get a circulation from this unit and they perform in this unit. This all were the levels of management. This was the last topic, inclusion of level of management.